Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. When you have different types of marinades, grilling meats and vegetables or barbecuing becomes so much more fun. Today I'm going to show you 3 different types of marinades which are unique and my very own recipes. Let's begin with the first marinade, the onion, mint and coriander marinade. For that, I'm going to grind 4 cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger. Let's first grind this to a coarse paste. To this, we're going to add 2 red chilies and 4 green chilies. Now grind this again. See, this is the kind of texture I'm looking at. Yeah? Now I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've roughly chopped. Here I have half cup of yogurt. Now to this yogurt, I'm going to add this ground masala. See how nice and coarse this is? Another good way of grinding these ingredients is just basically pounding it on a silbatta. Now to this, let's add quarter cup of mint leaves, freshly chopped mint leaves, half a cup of fresh coriander leaves, salt to taste, juice of half a lemon, and now let's drizzle 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in this. The mustard oil will give a nice zingy flavor and fragrance to your marinade. And our first marinade is ready. Let's keep this aside. The second marinade is a spicy, rich red marinade. For that, I'm going to take half a cup of hung curd. To this hung curd, let's add a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste. So let's mix this. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon of mace powder and quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder, juice of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cashew nut paste. This is going to make your marinade really rich. And 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, some salt to taste. Just let's mix this well. You can see what a beautiful reddish orange color we have here, and I'm not adding any food color here because I'm using Kashmiri chilies here. Finally, let's add a tablespoon of mustard oil. The reason I'm adding oil to the marinade is that it can last longer in your refrigerator as well. Finally, let's add a teaspoon of kasuri methi to this. And the second marinade is ready. And now for the third and the last marinade, which is a tangy Achari Marinade. For that, let's roast some spices, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of nigella seeds, a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let's roast these spices lightly. What an amazing aroma these spices have released. Let's shut the flame and we'll pound this to a nice fine powder. Here I have half a cup hung curd. We're going to add this powder, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of lemon pickle, 3 green chilies roughly chopped, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of cream. Let's mix this well. I'm not going to be adding salt because the lemon pickle has salt in it. We can adjust the seasoning later if we feel if the salt is less. Let's add a tablespoon of mustard oil to this as well. I'm just going to check for the salt. Slightly less, so I'm going to add some salt to taste. And our third marinade is ready as well. Let's store these delicious marinades in a jar or any container that you have at home. This particular marinade can be stored for 2 days in a refrigerator. The second spicy red marinade can be stored to a week. The Achari marinade can also be stored up to a week. All the 3 marinades are ready. You can marinate meats and veggies of your choice and enjoy grilling them. I've marinated some chicken. Let's start grilling the meat. And I'm going to grill this on a pan. Barbecues are never complete without its accompaniments. So today I'm going to show you some salads that go very well with a barbecue. First, let's make a potato salad. So I have a cup of hung curd over here, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste to this, 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery stem, a tablespoon of finely chopped onions, some pepper, salt to taste. Just going to mix this well. 1/4 cup of cream, here I have about 10 baby potatoes which I've boiled with a little salt. I have peeled them and sliced them into half. Let's garnish this with a tablespoon of finely chopped green capsicum. Just mix this and our potato salad is ready to be served. The second salad is a simple corn and spring onion salad. So here I have a cup of boiled corn niblets. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter, sprinkle some pepper powder, half a lemon juice, some finely chopped onions, 1 finely chopped green chili, and here I have taken 2 spring onions along with the onion bud. Just going to add this. Let's add a little salt. Mix this well. The corn and the spring onion salad is ready as well. Let's keep it aside. Let's get our serving platter ready. So here is the grilled chicken, the salads, and our marinades. Do try this recipe. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.